Hi viewers, welcome to Hot and Spicy Chef Kitchen. After a long time, I'm with you. Today I will cook some patera, which is quail. The quail I will cook is a Spanish style quail in a oven cooked. And with me today I've got my son who is learning to cook on his spare time. So I'll introduce you with him. This is Chef Junior called Shafahan. Say hello to the viewers. So he will help me today. You want to cook food today? Say hi to viewers.
Hi.
Okay. Now here I've got only a dozen, which is 12 quail. First there is some oil, half cup of oil. I've got meat there. I've got some peri Spanish. I've got garlic powders, and I've got lime and pepper twist. I've got a quarter of lemon. I've got some salt. I've got some mint, mixed herbs, and starness. And this I don't need that. Can you move that from here? Okay. Now I need to add some. This is a pure olive oil. Can you hold this oil? All of it. Okay, that's fine. Alright, now needed some salt. So what I need to do, just put 1 teaspoonful of salt. It's not teaspoon, it's a quarter spoon. Okay, then what you need to do, I've got some lime and pepper twist powder. This lime, you know this? Altogether, yeah. Okay. So now some mint. That's it. Approximately 1 teaspoonful. Okay. Now let's put some. What is this? Star anise. What is this? Star anise. Okay, that's it. We put about 1 teaspoonful of star anise. Okay, now the mixed herbs we need to put on. You need to put it because it's a mixed herbs. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you put half jar of the star anise. Sorry, it's a mixed herbs. Yeah. It's half just. The finally, what is this?
Garlic granules.
Garlic grounds. What?
Granules.
Granules. So, do you think how much you need to put?
Like teaspoon, 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons. Can you put a little bit more? This is the garlic, and it's make a really good change of the flavors. Okay, how much you put there?
2.5 teaspoons.
What is this? You got pretty Spanish one, yeah. Seasonings, yeah. So half jar of it, yeah. Right, no, you need to put more of these seasonings because this is the actually the flavors will come out from these seasonings, yeah. Now, then what you need to do, mix it together. Yeah, you can do it with your hands. Okay, that's a proper mix now. Now you need to take the pateras in there. Very gently, okay? So mix it together. Make sure all the herbs goes in. Yeah. So you are mixing it like properly, yeah?
Non-flavored bread.
Do you enjoy cooking
Yeah.
with the dad, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. So who did you learn cooking from, your mom or dad?
Both, probably.
Both. You enjoy cooking?
Yeah,
You like to be a chef one day?
probably.
Probably.
not.
You like to be a chef, yeah? Can you look at the camera and say? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I help you as well, yeah?
Yeah. It's all.
Make sure you mix it all, yeah? It's not spicy like Indian food, is it?
No, it's like mild.
It's like mild, yeah?
Yeah.
The spices we put is mild, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, what left? What need to put more?
Probably the lemon.
Lemons, okay. You have to squeeze the lemon to put some lemon juices.
Both hands.
Yeah.
Strong man to do this.
Strong man to do this. Okay, that's fine then. Okay, leave the lemon here.
Half a lemon.
Half a lemon juices here. Okay. Stir it again.
Mix it up.
Mix it up, yeah. Okay, now how long we have to put this? About 20 minutes. We have to put this for a marinated for 20 minutes. We'll come back in 20 minutes. Until then, you stay with us.
Hello, welcome back to my dad's hot and spicy fusion kitchen, and we're gonna begin to cook. So
Now you need to put some some olive oil. Okay. Okay. The mix it up. Well done, well done. Yeah. Make sure on that one as well. So now what you need to do, right, place the batera. Okay. Just like this. Who washed this? Who washed it? See here. You place it like this or?
yeah,
Come on then. It's one leg, it looks like one leg. Where's the other leg gone?
don't know.
Okay, you have to eat this one, yeah? Oh, you got the whole. What is? Okay, let's place this first, okay? One more left, one leg. Oh, one leg of this one.
Yeah. Then probably put the lemon.
Yeah. Squeeze the lemons again. Okay, make it the gap, then you got some spaces left in it. Alright, so what you're gonna do with the rest of the spices? Rest of the spices you put on top of it. Let's put it one side, okay. That now I have to make the oven ready for it. Okay. Now time for oven. Time to put in oven. Ready? Now we have to wait for at least 10 minutes to this get cooked.
Yeah. Yeah.
So stay with us for another 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
The time now for the change to turn it over. Where's the chef? Where is the chef?
Yeah.
Chef, you here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Now time for we need to turn it over.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Hold it.
yeah, just turn it over. Yeah. Almost half cooked. Yeah. You will have this one. Yeah, big one.
Yeah.
Right. See you after another 5 minutes. Welcome back. The quail is fully cooked now. Now time for serve. What we'll do, get a plate. Okay, just like this, and you can add some sauce in there. Dear viewers, thank you very much. This is the quail with the Spanish style. I hope you'll enjoy again my cooking when I come next time with some other dishes. Until then, you stay well. Thank you very much. And now I
No.
How's the food, young man?
Really nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.